Hello, are you looking for a real home-based business? I'm talking about a business that can yield a six-figure income yearly. If you are, then you have viewed the right video on YouTube today. I would like to introduce myself to you. I am Scott Woods, and I am a freight broker trainer. I am the freight broker trainer. The business I am talking about is freight brokering and truck dispatching. This is a job which can be done in the comfort of your own home. This is a job that requires very little experience, very little training, and an extremely low investment. This job will produce a six-figure income if you stay in it within 12 months. I have been training freight brokers and freight broker agents for over 10 years. I consistently produce the highest grossing agents in the industry. Our agents make more money than any other freight broker agent in the country. We teach them how to move every type of freight available. This year, there will be over $1 trillion worth of freight that will move in North America. The majority of this freight will move throughout the U.S. and Canada. The responsibility of finding a carrier for this cargo will be upon freight brokers, freight broker agents, and truck dispatchers. I am giving you the opportunity to learn how to do this job, to make money at it, and to start your own home-based business right now. If you're tired of being stuck in a rut, making no money at the same old 9 to 5, please visit my website at www.freightbrokertrainer.com. That's www.freightbrokertrainer.com. I'll help you start the new year with a new career.